here. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to just do some basic graphing review. So on this first one, it has 2 coordinate points. Anyone remember what comes first, X or Y? In a point? X, good. So in a coordinate point, when you're graphing it, no. It's X, comma, Y. So on this first point, we're going to call it A. I start at 0, 0, and I go over 2. That's my X coordinate, so that's how far I go on the X axis. And then I go up 13. Now this graph doesn't quite go to 13, so I can just extend it a little. I've got a point right there at 213, and I'm going to call that point A. Okay, then the next one we're going to call point B. That's 210. Okay, I want you to go through, I'll walk around and make sure if you need help with the graphing and just plot all 6 of those points. And then we'll go to our next review item. And make sure you label them. Graphing, you all right? You okay? Get all 6 of those points on the graph. You guys remember graphing all right? You all right? Yeah. Okay, well, let me get mine plotted and we're going to review slope. Okay, so slope. Anybody remember what slope is? Anybody remember what slope is? What that word means? Anyone?
Is it y over x?
Okay, when you say y over x, what do you mean?
Like the problem of this.
Okay, she said the problem of this. No, you got the right. It's kind of like the angle, right? Or the rate of change between 2 points. You got it. And to find it, we're going to do how much the y changes over how much the x changes. So that's kind of what you were thinking about when you were saying y over x. But an easier way to think of that is rise over run. So the rise is how much it changed up and down, and the run is how much it changed left and right, okay? So let's say I wanted to find the slope between, or from, let's do D to E, okay? So sometimes it helps people to draw like this little triangle, right triangle, between the two so you can kind of visualize it, okay? We're going to figure out how much it changes from D to E. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I need to ask myself, does it reduce? And does this one reduce? Yeah. To 1. Right? On a fraction, if I have the same thing on the top and bottom, it reduces to 1. Is that familiar? Okay, I'm going to give you guys a couple slopes to find. And I'll walk around. So A to C. Find the slope from B to E. And the slope from B to F. Okay?